Good day everyone and welcome to our class. I'm Mrs. ARLYN R. Patenya, your grade 8 mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to discuss quarter 2 week 1 entitled Linear Inequality in Two Variables. For the most essential learning competencies, we have number 1, differentiates linear inequalities in two variables from linear equations in two variables. 2. Illustrates and graphs linear inequalities in two variables. To recall our previous lesson, let us have this short activity. Directions. Tell which of the following is a linear equation in two variables. You have 30 seconds to answer this activity. Time starts now. Time is up. So let us answer. What are the answers, grade 8? Very good. You are correct. Good job, grade 8. Now let us proceed to our new lesson. A linear inequality in two variables is an inequality that can be written in one of the following forms. ax plus by less than c, ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by greater than c, and ax plus by greater than or equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both equal to 0. Here are the examples. Number 1. 4x minus y is greater than 1. Number 2. 3x plus 7y is less than 2. Number 3, 8x minus 3y is greater than or equal to 14. And number 4, 6x plus y is less than or equal to 11. During the first quarter, you learned about linear equation in two variables. The graph of linear equation is a line, meaning all the points that belong to the line are the solutions of the equations. In linear inequality in two variables, the graph is not a line but a region. Remember that in inequality, the relational symbols are less than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Now, how do we graph linear inequality in two variables? Let us have example. Graph y plus 2x less than 6. To graph this linear inequality in two variables, the following steps could be followed. First step, replace the inequality symbol with an equal sign. So we have y plus 2x equals 6. Next step, solve for x and y-intercepts. To solve for x and y-intercepts, let x be equal to 0. Then, substitute it to the equation y plus 2x equals 6. So we have y plus 2 times 0 equals 6. Solving for y, we have y plus 0 equals 6. Therefore, y equals 6. And our point is 0, 6. Then, let y equal 0. Substitute the value of y to our equation y plus 2x equals 6. We have 0 plus 2x equals 6. Then, solve for x. So, 2x equals 6. To solve for x, divide both sides by 2. So, the value of x equals 3. Our point is 3, 0. Next step is to graph. To graph the inequality, plot the points 0, 6 and 3, 0. Then, connect them with a line. Since the inequality is less than, then the line is a broken line. Next step, choose a test point. Let us use the origin or the coordinates 0, 0 and substitute to the inequality y plus 2x less than 6. Let us substitute. So, 0 less than 6. Is it true that 0 is less than 6? True. Last step, shade the plane. Since the inequality 0 is less than 6 is true, the half plane that should be shaded is the plane containing the point 0, 0. Look at the figure at the right. All the points below the broken line are solutions of the inequality y plus 2x less than 6. Another example, graph x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. Again, to graph this linear inequality in two variables, the following steps could be followed. Step 1. Replace the inequality symbol with an equal sign. So we have x plus 4y equals 8. Next step is to solve for x and y-intercepts. Again, to solve for x and y-intercepts, let x be equal to 0. Then, substitute the value of x to our equation, x plus 4y equals 8. So, 0 plus 4y equals 8, then 4y equals 8. Solve for y, divide both sides by 4 equals 2. Our point is 0, 2. Next one, let y equals 0. Substitute the value of y to our equation, x plus 4y equals 8. So, x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. Solving for x, we have x equals 8. Our point now is 8, 0. Next step is to graph. To graph the inequality, plot the points 0, 2 and 8, 0. Then, connect them with a line. Since the inequality is greater than or equal to, then the line is a solid line. Next step is to choose a test point. Let us use the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0 and substitute to the inequality x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. Let us substitute. So, 0 plus 4 times 0 is greater than or equal to 8. And 0 is greater than or equal to 8. Is it true that 0 is greater than or equal to 8? False. 0 is not greater than or equal to 8. Next step is to shade the plane. Since the inequality 0 is greater than or equal to 8 is false, the half plane that should be shaded is the plane not containing the point 0, 0. Look at the figure at the right. All the points on the line and points above the line are solutions of the inequality x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 8. In linear inequality in two variables, the graph is not a line but a region. Remember that in inequality, the relational symbols are less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Let us also remember the following steps in graphing linear inequalities in two variables. Here are the steps. We have R, S, G, C, S. R to replace the inequality with an equal sign. S, solve for x and y-intercepts. G, graph. C, choose a test point. And S, shade the plane. So, let us try answering this one. Directions. Graph the inequalities x plus y less than or equal to 4 and 2x plus y greater than 2. You may start working now. So what are the answers? Alright, grade 8. Here are the answers for number 1 and 2. If your graphs looks like this one, then you got it right. Good job, grade 8.